In this video we cover Python's 3 logical operators, AND, OR, and NOT. These let you combine conditions so your program can make smarter decisions. Logical operators combine boolean values. You use them whenever you need to check more than one condition at once or reverse a condition entirely. Think of a bouncer who checks 2 things at once. You only get in if you have a ticket and you are old enough. That is exactly how the yet and operator works in Python. We start by creating 3 variables. Has_ticket is true, age is 20, and is_raining is false. These will feed into our logical expressions. Line 5 uses AND, has_ticket is true, and age is greater than or equal to 18 is also true, so the whole expression is true. Line 6 uses OR, has_ticket is true, so the whole expression is true, even though is_raining is false. Only one side needs to be true. Line 7 uses NOT. Is_raining is false, and NOT simply flips it, giving us true. It is the simplest of the 3 operators. When we run the file, all 3 lines print true. The AND check passed because both sides were true, or passed because one side was true, and NOT flipped false into true. Short circuit evaluation means Python is efficient. With AND, if the left side is already false, it knows the answer is false and never checks the right side at all. Here x is 0. Python checks is not equal to 0 first, which is false, and immediately short circuits. The division on the right is never attempted, avoiding a crash. The output confirms, short circuit evaluation protected us. Because the first condition was false, Python skipped the dangerous division entirely and went straight to the else branch. Here is a quick side-by-side, and demands both sides to be true so it is stricter, or only needs one side so it is more lenient. Keep this table in mind when writing conditions. Remember these 3 ideas, and needs both or needs one, and NOT flips the value. Add short circuit evaluation to that, and you have a solid grasp of Python's logical operators.